Hey everybody. As always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to use the notifications widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It doesn't matter if you're using one of the solar versions of this watch or non-solar versions. They all have the notifications widget and they're all going to operate the same. I'm also using the watch as delivered from Garmin. I haven't made any adjustments to any of the hotkeys. So first let me say, I'm doing this video. I am an Apple iOS user. So everything you're seeing in here is going to be shown with my Apple phone. It should work about the same with regards to the Android phone, but I've never used an Android phone with this watch. So just know that as you're watching the video. The other thing I'll say is you don't have to install the notifications widget in order to get notifications on your Garmin Instinct watch. I'm going to try and explain that to you, show you some examples in the video. So let's jump into it. I'm kind of assuming you know some basic information about the Garmin Instinct watch, what data elements are, what widgets are. If you don't know those things, you might want to go back through some of my earlier videos and familiarize yourself with that because I'm going to be going through it kind of quick. Let's take a look at the data element I've got up here. It's my sunrise sunset. Let's change that. I'm going to press and hold the menu button. I'm going to choose watch face. I'm going to keep this one, but I'm going to customize it. One of the data element options that you have, we'll go ahead and save all these, is this little 3-dot icon, which basically looks like a little notification cloud or bubble. You can see that I've got 8 notifications from my Apple phone that haven't been cleared from the notification center. Now in this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to control what notifications you get. I've done another video for that in the past. All I'm going to be showing you is how to see the notifications on your Garmin Instinct watch. As with everything on the watch, a data element will show you basic information. A widget will show you more details about that information. So I can see here that I've got 8 notifications that I missed, but I can't do anything from the data element. I can't get to the notifications to see them. I can't clear them. I can't do anything other than see that I've got them. The other thing I can do without having the widget on my watch is I can receive notifications. So as you see, I just sent myself a test email, came through on my watch. Got an email. I can see some basic information on the notification on my watch. Question about in ... You can't see anything else. Now, if I'm on my watch, I can press the GPS button to read more about that notification. But if I'm not on my watch, after the notification timeout, that notification is going to be gone. We should be seeing that here in a second. My notification timeout is set for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds of not doing anything, boom, the notification's gone. But you can see that the data element up here is now at 9, showing me that I missed another notification. So what if we want to see the notifications? What if we want to get back to a prior notification? We need to install the notification widget. And to do that, we're going to do it just like any other widget. We're going to press and hold the menu button. We're going to arrow down to settings. We're going to press GPS for settings. We're going to arrow down to widgets, press GPS, add widget, and we are going to be looking for the notifications widget. The icon is going to be the same as what we saw in the data element. We're going to press GPS to add it, and we've successfully added the notifications widget. Now when we go back to the main watch face, we can still see that we missed 9 notifications, but if we go to the widget, we can actually see the notifications that we've missed. If I press GPS, I can get into those notifications and I can use the up or down button to go through each of them and look at what they are. So once I'm on a notification that I want to see, I'm going to click the GPS button to select it. And then I can either press the down button to clear it, or while I'm on it, I can press GPS to go into that notification and read more about it. So I can see here that I got a question about the Instinct, and it looks like here's the text of the email. Do you think the Garmin Instinct watch is better than the Phoenix or Casio Pro Trek? Now with an Apple device, I can't respond to this text message. All I can do is read it. I'm pretty sure it's the same with Android, but I'm not sure. With Apple, unfortunately, they have it to where the only thing you can really respond to a text with is the Apple Watch. But unfortunately, they kind of block it from any other smartwatch. That's how I can read the notification. I can press back to get back to the notification and then get back to my main notification screens. If I want to clear that, I can press GPS to select it, press the down arrow to clear it, and it will clear it, and it will take me to my next notification. Now, if it's a phone notification that I've missed, you can see here that I missed a phone call. This is a spam call that I got, so if anybody's watching this video, I wouldn't worry about calling this number back. But I can press the GPS button to see what it was. I can press back, and I've also got some options with the phone call. If I press down, I can actually call the number back. Now, it's not going to dial it from my watch. All the watch is going to do is make my phone call back the number. I can also delete the notification, or I can leave the notification there and just press back to get back to my notifications. While I'm in the notifications widget, I can also press and hold the menu button to get to my notification options. If I press GPS, I can go into my notification options. For example, my status. Do I want it during activity? Now I'm going to breeze through these. I've done a video in the past where I'll walk you through notification options. I can adjust my timeout. And then again, I can press back. I can remove the widget if I want to, or I can go back to the notification listing. Once you're done reviewing your notifications, you can click back. Now again, I've still got 8 of them there. Ideally, I think the way most people would do it is you would go into the widget, look at your notifications that are there, review them, and then clear out the ones that you want to where you get back to where you don't have any notifications. And whenever you get a new one, you know that you've got a new notification. That's a quick look at looking at the notification widget for your Garmin Instinct watch. As always, if you've got any questions, post them in the video. I'd be happy to help you out. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.